Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to convert date to day name in your Excel. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to convert the date into the day name as I'm showing in this file, then I will show you how to do this. As you can see, already I have entered some date in this, so I will just convert this date to in day name. So first what you have to do, you have to just click on this day name section in first row, then press or type is equal to. After that you need to type text, double click on this text, then select the value, then you have to enter the comma, single comma, after that double comma, which is called inverted comma. Then you have to type DD. Then again you have to insert the inverted comma. Then you have to close this bracket. Then hit enter. When you hit enter, as you can see, the name has been inserted. When you select and scroll it down, all the day name will be inserted one by one. You can see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's it guys. So in this way you can convert date to day name in your Excel file. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.